Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for November 30th, 2020. So we get into the last day of the month. So let's see that where the market is heading to. So if you look at the SPY chart, so you can see that in the month of November, the market is trying to push it back up. They hit the resistance, they fell, they come back retest, they fell, they do it like 5 times already. So today they couldn't make it, so they put it back down. And the last minute, you can see here, the people try to come back and push it back up again. So let's see that we're able to break out this level here. If we're able to break out this level here and more momentum to the upside, and hopefully that we can have a Christmas rally if they're able to break through this level here. So we have to monitor carefully to see that by tomorrow, let's see, the market can head it up. If you look at a EBD future after hour, so you can see that the market has tested the sell zone a couple times, they fell, they pull back, they hit to the buy zone, they bounce back up. So right now, after hour, they still have a strong momentum to carry the momentum at the end of the day, and hopefully that they can go back and test the sell zone again, and we will see the market be able to punch through it or not by tomorrow. Okay, and if you are in our live trading room, so our member, we know that the market hit the sell zone. So when the market rebound, couldn't put it back up, when the market opened, and then they slam down a little bit, they put it back up, and then they push it back down to the support line here. So we can take a first 10-point drop, and then after that, they break through the support, and then another 15-point down to the buy zone. So if you know how to do day trade in the first 1 hour, you can take a quick short trade here, okay, for $1,250 per 1 ES contract. So after I get out from a live trading room, the market it push it back up and come back retest and then punch to the upside. I jump in, take a quick trade for short-term income at $1,662, and then I saw some of the swing trade, which is another technique that we are using so that we can earn a bigger income by staying the trade longer. Okay, so this is $13,852. So total net profit for today is $15,515. It's a good start of the week, and let's see that how the market doing for the next couple of weeks here. Hopefully we have a Christmas rally so that we can make more money for the Christmas. All right, so if you have been following me on the YouTube, every week I do a weekly market forecast, and you can see that over the weekend I show you a couple of sectors very strong that you should pay attention. It's like semiconductor sector, it's still very strong, and they are leading by a couple of stocks like AMD. If you watch it, you see that AMD they shoot up today with a big gigantic candle here, okay, to the upside. And another one is the XLNX. Okay, so those two is another move up for 7-8 point here, and the QQQ, okay, technology stock is still doing very well. As you can see here, they try to build some momentum here, and we're looking for the breakout very soon here. And a cloud-based business software, like I told you yesterday, like APPF. Okay, so this one here, they jump up today also, another 5% move to the upside, and a lot of stuff like ANG. Okay, that's very similar to Zoom. This one here tried to push it back up, and Zoom yesterday tried to shoot it back up, but it hit some resistance. So let's see if people will take profit here or not. And a lot of post stock also moving to the upside very strong, but you can see here this one it push it back up, put it down, people buy back again. So let's see how long they can stay in the upper level here. And for the bio sector, you see a lot of stuff that we mentioned like NVAX. Okay, this one here it still jump up another 18 points today. And the leading vaccine for the coronavirus, that mRNA, they go up another 40 points today. So this one here I have been highlight for you guys in the last 2 weeks. And if you get in early now, you already stock it from 70 bucks. Now we come at over $150 right now. Okay, so this is some of the stock that we analyze for you on the weekly. But in our live trading room, we have a lot of more stock that our member bring it up. We analyze every day. We share the idea, so we all make money together. That's the beauty of our community. Okay, so if you are not belong to our community, make sure that you join our YouTube so that you can learn something, or you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com. We have the free webinar there for you to see how we trade, so that you can learn the method that we are doing. Okay, so again, thank you very much for watching, and then I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.